Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and you can see here I'm going to show you the Herbs and Plants Lenormand Oracle cards rather. It's by Floriana and Valeria, so I can't pronounce their surnames. I haven't actually got my glasses on as well, so it means I can't see them properly. So you've got the standard Lo Scarabeo, where you've got a multilingual booklet, so it's in English, Italian, Spanish and Portuguese. You've got a section here which talks about the Lenormand and then goes straight into the cards, each of the card meanings, and then at the back you've got a section here on the spread. So yeah, it goes through the grand tableau with you, which is the ultimate spread, challenge spread for the Lenormand. Okay, so this deck really does, it's kind of reminiscent in feel of the Thelema Lenormand for me. It's lovely to hold and handle. It's a gloss. Can you see there's a slight glossy sheen there? It's a really lovely deck. So here are the pictures. Now, if I go too quickly, then you have the ability in the YouTube settings to be able to slow me down, or alternatively, you can speed me up. So that's the ship. So that's the boat. I know some of you prefer to see the words on there, and some of you don't actually. So the scythe, the whip, birds, child, fox, bear, stars, stork, and whispering here, dog, tower, garden, mountain, mice, is it? My memory. I can't actually see them very well, but they are gorgeous. And we've got this guy as the man and this lady as the lady, the lilies. Sun, moon, key, fish, anchor and cross. Okay, so that's the Herbs and Plants Lenormand. So if you are enjoying the Lenormand and actually you want something that's a little bit reminiscent with your your chosen theme of the herbs then and plants and nature, then you will really enjoy this deck. Yeah, quality of the card is good, very good. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for your time. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye bye.